Task Lighting and Power's premium flat fixtures can be installed with end cap or wireway or both. Each assembled fixture includes aluminum profile with tape lighting pre-installed, plastic mounting channel, frosted lens, 2 end caps, and mounting screws. Center the fixture mounting channel in location installation space. Note, we recommend 1 inches to 2 inches back from front frame of cabinet. Secure mounting channel with provided screws. Prepare your low voltage wires from power supply or receiver. Use wire strippers to strip wire 1/4 inch, then twist ends. Premium flat fixtures can be installed with an end cap on each end of the fixture. End caps have a hole that allows for the connection wires to run into the fixture on one or both ends. Or premium flat fixtures can be installed with wireway instead of end caps on one or both ends. Wireway will hide connection wires for a clean, finished look. If using end caps, insert low voltage wires from power supply or receiver through the end cap and into the screw down connector. If using wireway, insert low voltage wires from power supply or receiver directly into the screw down connector. Connect wire into the outer terminal. Red wire to positive side plus DC 24V or WW. Black wire to negative side minus GND or CW. Tighten screws. Snap aluminum profile into mounting channel and snap lens into fixture. Note, the lens needs to be installed last to ensure proper installation. If using end caps, slide end cap into each end of the fixture. Note, end cap will slide between aluminum profile and mounting channel for proper fit. If using wireway, to hide connection wires, wireway can be used on one or both ends of the premium flat fixture. Don't use the end cap on the end of the fixture where the wireway will be used. Use miter joint pieces to turn corners with wire. Determine installation location and cut wireway and or miter joint to desired length. Secure bottom mounting channel of wireway with provided screws. Run connection wires through mounting channel and snap cover onto channel. Note, make sure wire is not pinched. When installing in a run of cabinetry, fixtures can be wired end to end with the next fixture. Simply run the connection wire from one end of a fixture using either the end cap or the wireway. Drill a 3/8 inch hole through the cabinet frame to run the connection wire and connect the wireway into the next fixture using either end caps or wireway. Premium flat fixtures create a high-end finished look, whether using end caps, wireway, or both.